guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. In this video we are going to go through my KB Shimmer purchases from Polish and Beauty Expo. Let's do it. Alright, so let's look at them one at a time. This one is a pink, kind of a dark pinky purple with a lighter orangey pink shimmer and yellow a little bit as well, and it does have a bit of a micro glitter as well. It might be reflective, but I don't think so. It is in the shade In the Loop. Let's do a swatch. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Definitely a two-coater at least. It looks pretty much purple here in this lighting, but of course, you know, light makes a difference. Let's put a little bit more on, even though it's not super dry yet. Oh yeah, very beautiful. I'm really a fan of that. These bottles are also huge. Looks like 15 milliliters. The next one we're gonna look at is this blue. This one does have reflective glitter. Let's see if we can make it do some. Oh yeah, look at that. That is schmancy. Bit of a turquoise shimmer actually as well. This one is in the shade Lounging Around. Let's do a swatch, and we're gonna try and do it with the reflective on. How pretty is that? It's a thick boy. You might be able to get away with one coat on that one. I don't think it's doing its reflective business currently to the best of its ability, but it is very shimmery. Very pretty. I like that a lot. Alright, so the next one is this neon green with a bit of an orangey yellow shimmer running through it. It doesn't appear to have any of that reflective in it though. This one is called Relish the Moment. And swatch. Ooh, it is more iridescent blue on the swatch stick than in the bottle. That's pretty. I like that. You can really see that shimmer. Let's put a little bit more on here. That's nice. Yeah, as you build it up, that green really comes through. This is cute. It's kind of pearlescent, really. Love it. Alright, so we have another reflective. This one's purple with that same orangey yellow sunshiny shimmer. This one is in the shade Of Quartz. Of Quartz must be a very popular name for nail polish items because I have a glitter from, I think, Kiara Sky with the same name, and it's a white glitter that's really pretty, and they have matching products as well. Look at this. That's cute. It's that purple, mauve-y purple-ish. You can see those reflex doing their thing. That's nice. Very pretty. Last but not least, it's another reflective and another green. I was feeling my greens this year, I suppose. Love that. It doesn't have any of those offshoots of colors though. This is just a green reflective glitter. And this one is called Pull It Together. Look at that go on. Ooh, this one is not a thick cream base. This one's got a sheer base. So you could really put this over something if you wanted to. I wonder what it would look like over a black. That would be pretty neat. But you can, of course, build it up to opacity if you choose. That reflective, though, it is doing its thing. I love a nice reflective glitter. You can't always see it in every light, but when that right light hits it and it just sparkles. Alright, so here they are. Here are the KB Shimmers. What do you think? I think they're all beautiful, and some of them are similar, some of them are not. But I do like the selection that I picked. They had a ton more, and I had to talk myself off a ledge because it can get out of hand real quick. But that's what we got for this brand. Make sure you're subscribed and you're still paying attention, because we've got a bunch more of these little videos to go for this mini series. See what we got from the Polish and Beauty Expo 2023. That's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.